Lecture 1. Learning about basic wiring. Access to LS Industrial System website. Access to Download Center. Click the Smart Industrial Automation. PLC, GLOFA GM series, and select the software and search. Download XG5000 program. Execute the program that was downloaded. Install the program while changing the username and folder to install, if necessary, or leaving them as default. When the program installation is completed, XG5000 program icon will be created. Click XG5000 on the desktop to execute. Click the project and select the new project from the menu. Enter project name and program name that the user wants. Select the CPU series and type by checking the front part of the device to be used. When the Program tab appears, the size of the window can be adjusted by clicking a zoom button in the lower right part. If a cell at the left end of each row is double-clicked, the explanation can be entered. Enter either by clicking F3 or selecting Normally Open Tact from the toolbar. Enter PB1 for the variable device, and set the device to P00 in the Add Variable comment window. If the device variable is selected from the View menu, the device address that was entered can be viewed at the same time. Enter by either pressing F9 from the same line as the contact that was input or selecting Coil from the toolbar. Enter LAMP1 for the variable device, and set the device address to be P20 in the Add Variable comment window. Press shortcut F10 in the next row or input function block from the toolbar, and put End command by finding it in the basic command classification or searching for it. Connect the 0-volt terminal to the input COM of the PLC module. Connect the 24 volts terminal to the on side of PB1 terminal. Connect the other side of terminal of PB1 to the input contact P00. Connect the 0-volt terminal to the output COM0 of the PLC module. If the output contacts that are used get increased, connect from the COM1 to the COM3 also. Connect the 24 volts terminal to the plus terminal of PL lamp. Connect the minus terminal of PL the lamp 1 to the P20, which is the output terminal of PLC module output. Open the cover of the connector part which is on the left side of PLC of KTE4000 PLXG, and connect mini 5-pin cable. Connect the USB connector of the other end of the mini 5-pin cable to a PC. Select the type to be USB and online and select the connection settings. If Connect and Online is selected, PC and PLC get connected, and the color at the bottom turns from blue to green. Move to Online, Diagnosis, I/O Information, and select I/O Sync. If an additional module is connected to XGB, the information of each module can be shown. Select the Write and Online tab. Either select Online, change mode, and click the Run or click the Run icon from the toolbar. Click the monitor and select the Start Monitoring. If the monitoring gets started, the screen gets shaded, and the contact that is on is displayed in blue. If PB1 is clicked, it can be monitored whether the contact gets on and off. As for the KTE4000 PLXG, it can be checked whether the lamp is actually turned on. Click the monitor and select the Stop Monitoring to terminate the monitoring screen. Either select the Online, change mode, stop or click the Stop icon on the toolbar.